Top 5 Best 3D Printer. Whether for personal, professional, or educational use, 3D printers are more affordable than ever. Check out what you need to know about technology to get started printing, along with the top performance model in our formal testing. This list of top 5 3D printer for 2020 was given specially for you. Number 1. Microprice Select Mini 3D Printer. Support of all filament types, the heated build plate and wide range of extruder temperature allows this printer to work with any type of filament, from basic filament such as ABS and PLA to more advanced materials such as conductive PLA, wood and metal composite, and dissolvable PVA. Compact desktop design. Featuring a small footprint and basic open frame design, this 3D printer is compact enough for any desk. Ready to print. Unlike more other low-cost 3D printers, the printer ships fully assembled and has already been calibrated at a factory. Number 2. Microprice 13860 Maker Select 3D Printer V2. Includes heated build plate, 2GB micro SD card and simple PLA filament. Compatible software such as Cura, Repeater and Simplify 3D. The Maker Select is compatible with Windows, Mac OS X and Linux. The large 8x8-inch build plate and gorgeous 7-inch vertical spacing means that you can print larger, more complex models. The heated build plate allows you to print slower cooling materials such as ABS and modified, as well as PLA and PLA blends. Use a micro SD card to store sliced G-code files, then plug the card into the micro SD card slot to print without the need to connect the Windows or Mac PCs. Number 3. XYZ Printing Da Vinci 1.0 Pro 3-in-1. Capable of using third-party 1.75mm ABS and PLA filament. New and intuitive calibrate system that uses specially designed knob and detection software which guides you in the right direction, and the aluminum print bed allows for an even contribution of heat which decreases the chance of warpage. Dual laser 3D scanner technology for distortion-free capture of desired object. Automatic image takes only 5 minutes. Finished scan are fully editable. You can scan them and use different post-production software to give your print a unique finish print technology. Number 4. Monoprice Maker Select Plus 3D Printer. Support for all filament types. The heated build plate and wide range of extruder temperature allows this printer to work with any type of filament, from basic filaments such as ABS and PLA to more advanced materials such as conductive PLA, wood and metal composite, and dissolvable PVA. Compact desktop featuring a small footprint and basic open frame design, this 3D printer is compact enough for any desk. Ready to print include simple PLA filament and a micro SD card with pre-installed models, heated aluminum build plate, nozzle, cooling fan for printing all filament types. Complete kit with simple PLA filament, bed scraper and micro SD card with preloaded model files, micro USB and micro SD card connectivity. PC and Mac compatible with the Cura, Repeater and other softwares. Number 5. FlashForge 3D Printers. Make sure this fits by entering your model number. Side-in build plate allows printed objects to be easily removed. 3.5 inches full-color touchscreen with intuitive icons make for easy operation. Sturdy plastic alloy construction enables stable prints. Safe non-heated build plate, Wi-Fi, USB and flash drive connectivity. Positioning precision 0.001 inch on Z-axis, 0.004 inch on XY plane, resolution 0.004 inch. To buy product from Amazon, please click on the link at the description. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel.